All right, hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel, the Rideshare Hub. This is the #1 channel for rideshare drivers and gig workers, including Instacart people. So today we have a super special guest.
Hi,
Who are you?
Steph On The Pedal. I'm Steph On The Pedal. I
Steph?
also do YouTube.
Oh,
I talk a lot about Instacart on my channel right now.
Yeah, so thank you for coming on the channel. This should be fun. You've been on the channel before, though.
I have been on the channel before. I am not new to this. Yeah.
New to this. So
Yeah.
guys, before we get started in today's video, please smash the like button and subscribe if you want to see Steph on the pedal on the channel again, right?
Yeah. I like it.
Yeah, they should do that. If you want to. If not, then maybe I'll just, I don't know, kick you off the channel.
Hey.
All right, so we wanted to make this video, guys. We're just going to be talking about mostly Instacart and other gig work and just navigating life. And we're also going to talk about some drama. We're going to talk about Steph's dating life. No, I'm just kidding.
What? Okay. I was like, I have not been briefed for this, man.
I know that's what they really want to hear, but we're actually going to talk mostly about gig work. So
okay, cool.
If you wanted to just start this off by introducing yourself and what led you, we're going to talk about Instacart, but kind of what led you to navigate into gig work, because you started out with Uber and Lyft and then went into Instacart. So how did that look for you?
Well, I mean, it really had a lot to do with, everything that's happening around us right now. So at least in my market, I'm in the Denver area. If you're driving Uber and Lyft, you're not making money right now. So I was definitely doing some mainly Uber driving, and it just slowed down a lot. And plus it felt a little more risky to me just to be that close to someone else in a car. So I really kind of wanted to try to find something else, and Instacart was really appealing to me just because I kind of like grocery shopping anyways.
Yeah.
And, after looking into it a little bit and kind of like, I joined some Facebook groups and listened to some people talk about how much they were making. And I was like, yeah, please sign me up for that. So yeah, it made sense to transition into Instacart. Like I personally don't really see why anyone would be driving right now, but I understand that it's still maybe okay in some markets. It's just not at all in mine.
Yeah. So you're doing Instacart now. When did you kind of stop doing Uber and Lyft?
I want to say maybe like a week after St. Patrick's Day.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that was still pretty recent then, right?
Kind of. Yeah. Right. I mean, I haven't been doing Instacart for very long at all. So I've only been up with them for a few weeks.
Yeah. What's your initial like experience? Cause I've gone out and done like a couple batches. And then I've also done like a full day of like, I think we probably did like 8 or 9 batches, which was like, full 8-hour days. But like,
yeah.
After that, I was exhausted. But
yeah.
like other ones were like honestly pretty fun. It was like just go out and do a few batches. But like, what's been your experience since you signed up? How long? Maybe 2 weeks ago now.
I think it's been 3 weeks. Yeah.
What's your overall experience been like?
And I think you were doing Instacart before the world got crazy around us, so you didn't get to experience.
I have a much different experience. I was doing it. No gloves and just no face.
Right.
Definitely.
So I have no idea what it used to be like because I started, kind of in the thick of things. So it was hard. Like the first day I was a wreck. I was just so anxious. Like, I mean, there were so many things, like you have to refund and replace almost every single item in an order. Like it's not like the store is just, the shelves aren't stocked, it's really, there's a learning curve. Like there's a huge learning curve to it. But, once I got past that and kind of my anxiety with it, I did, maybe after even like the third batch that I did, I was pretty okay with it. And, as time has passed and I've done more batches, like it's been pretty easy. Like you kind of
Yeah.
get in the flow of it and really figure it out and get faster at it, which is important.